Have you ever noticed that when you're sad, tired, or stressed, your mind instantly craves carbs, like bread, pasta, or sweets? This isn't just a random habit, it's deeply wired into our biology and emotions. Research shows that more than half of adults crave carbohydrates when they're feeling low. Why? Because carbs trigger the release of serotonin, the feel-good brain chemical linked to happiness and calmness. But here's the tricky part. The brain often struggles to tell the difference between true hunger and emotional hunger. So we end up eating even when our body doesn't actually need the fuel. When we eat tasty foods, our brain's mesolimbic dopamine system lights up. This is the same system activated in addictive behaviors. The dopamine hit feels so rewarding that it can override signals from our body saying we're not actually hungry. Over time, this cycle turns into a habit. The brain learns to seek carbs not for energy, but for comfort. Simple carbs, like candy or chips, spike our blood sugar quickly, but just as quickly they cause it to crash. The result? Mood swings, irritability, and even stronger cravings. But why does our brain even work this way? The answer goes back to evolution. For our ancestors, craving carbs during stress was a survival tool. Carbohydrates provided fast energy in dangerous situations. The problem is, today our stress is emotional, not physical. Food is abundant, and this survival instinct can backfire, leading to overeating and emotional eating patterns. Cravings aren't just biological, they're cultural and emotional too. Think about it. Birthday cakes, family feasts, festival sweets, most of our happiest memories involve carb-rich foods. As children, many of us were comforted with warm meals or sweet treats when we were sick or upset. Over time, those foods became symbols of safety, love, and belonging. So when we're stressed, our brain doesn't just want the taste, it wants the memory of comfort. So does this mean carbs are bad? Not at all. In fact, when used wisely, carbohydrates can help stabilize mood and improve mental health. The key is balance. Healthy strategies include choosing complex carbs like oats, quinoa, or whole grains that release energy slowly. Asking yourself, am I physically hungry or just emotionally hungry? And finding alternative coping tools like journaling, going for a walk, or talking with a friend. Food isn't just fuel, it's memory, emotion, and survival instinct. Use it wisely.